Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to start and end triple crochet rows. This should be helpful if you're trying my summer vest pattern. So we start our new row by chaining 1, 2, 3 times, then turning clockwise. You always turn your work clockwise for straightest edges. And for triple crochet, you always yarn around your hook twice before a stitch. Then we're going to insert our hook into the second stitch closest to our chains. So we're going to skip that first hole right there that we would normally sometimes go into, and we're going to go to that next. This creates the straightest edges for triple crochet, I found. As you can see, even though we skipped a stitch, it lines up pretty perfectly with that previous row. And now we're just going to yarn over twice again, insert into the next stitch this time, and crochet as normal. Crochet across, and then I'll show you how we end our triple crochet rows. Alrighty, so we are at the end of our row here. You can see we have one space there and another spot to the left, wherever that little notch is. So we're going to yarn over twice and go into this next stitch space. This will be our second to last stitch. And then yarn over twice again. And sometimes this can be hard, so you want to make sure to make your chains loose when you're chaining at the start of your row, because we have to stick this right into the end there. And this is technically our last chain from our start. And just pull your yarn through as normal and triple crochet as normal. And you'll see that it lines up nicely, just like the beginning. I hope this is helpful for you guys to start and end the triple crochet. Enjoy, and please check out my patterns on Etsy.